Have you ever felt like you're in a relationship with a bank, but it's just not working out? Maybe it's time to break up. Today, we're going to talk about how to close your Starling bank account. Starling Bank has gained popularity for its digital-only approach and innovative features. But sometimes, things change, and you might find yourself ready to move on. Maybe you're switching to another bank, or perhaps you're simply looking to simplify your financial life. Whatever the reason, closing your Starling bank account is a relatively straightforward process. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you dive into the closing process, make sure you have all the necessary information. This includes your Starling bank account number, your sort code, your PIN, any relevant documents such as your ID or proof of address. Step 2. Log into your Starling bank app. The easiest way to close your account is through the Starling bank app. Open the app and log in using your usual credentials. Step 3. Navigate to the account settings. Once you're logged in, look for the account settings or similar option. This is typically located in the main menu or profile section. Step 4. Find the close account option. Within the account settings, you should find an option to close account or something similar. Click on this option. Step 5. Confirm your decision. Starling Bank will likely ask you to confirm your decision to close the account. This might involve answering a security question or providing additional information. Step 6. Transfer remaining funds. Before closing your account, make sure to transfer any remaining funds to another account. Starling Bank will provide instructions on how to do this. You can usually transfer funds to another bank account or a different Starling account. Step 7. Final confirmation. Once you've transferred your funds, you'll likely be asked to confirm that you want to proceed with closing the account. Click Confirm or a similar button. Step 8. Wait for confirmation. After confirming your decision, Starling Bank will typically send you a confirmation email or notification within the app. This will let you know that your account is in the process of being closed. Additional tips. Check for any outstanding debts or fees. Make sure you've paid off any outstanding loans, overdrafts, or other charges before closing your account. Consider keeping your account open for a short period. If you're unsure about the timing, you can keep your account open for a few months while you transition to your new bank. Review your account history. Before closing your account, it's a good idea to review your account history to ensure that everything is in order. Closing your Starling bank account is a relatively simple process that can be completed entirely online. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily close your account and move on to your next financial adventure. Have you ever closed a Starling bank account? Share your experience in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.